what's up?
Car's registered in the show?
Yep.
Sweet whip, brother. Staging's just on the right there.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate
Enjoy
it.
the show, brother.
Ryan, what's happening, man? What's going on, bro?
Good.
Good. How are you?
Good. You got a quarter tank for us?
Yeah, bro.
Awesome.
Got the quarter.
The guy with this.
Hello. How you doing? Singles, yeah.
Hey, good. How are you?
Clear all these cars up real fast.
Yeah, you're crazy, man. I wasn't even ready. So, how you doing?
Yeah, coconut water on you?
You all straight out? Yeah, man. Got 2 bottles.
I keep drinking it all day. I'm good to go.
Yeah, man.
See you in a bit, yeah?
For sure, man. Thank you. Shamar. Straight back?
Yeah, straight back. Yep, keep going. Yeah, just keep it straight. I can help guide you a little bit. Okay, back. Okay, that way. Yeah.
More?
Back in. Okay, now straight. Back. Okay, good right there.
Good right there?
Good right there.
Thanks, Shamar. Yeah? Good to go. Thank you, Ron. Appreciate it. Congratulations, man.
Thank you.
Yeah. You got. Yeah. You know? My lights are flashing right now, so people gonna be looking.
Look at the legs.
Yeah, man, that's pimping. Let's steal his thunder, man. Eh? Yeah.
Yo, imagine this with this empty. Yo, let's just go do donuts.
Yo, that'd be sick, eh? Why Shamar stop him, man? Thank you so much.
Yes.
I love it. Thank you.
Yes.
We need more cake cars.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes, no problem.
We gotta
Yo, cake club.
come. Thank you, Shamar.
So much.
Thank you so much. Thanks for all your hard work, man.
Always, man. Thank you.
Yo, this is sick.
Yo, that's amazing. Who was it? He gave it to me. Isn't that sick?
Yo, real recognized real, man.
Real recognized real.
Yo. That's the chip. Put it right here.
Yeah. Just make sure it don't fall out. I'll pack it up when we leave.
Yo.
So, thanks, boss. Real recognized real.
Yeah.
I'll pull out when we get to the. Like, you don't want to record them here. You want to record them like when they go on the street, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't even care about recording. I just want to hear them.
Oh, you just want to hear them?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Turn right onto 3rd
So a
Street
bit
Southeast,
further out.
then turn left. Take the next right onto 14th Avenue Southeast, then make a U-turn.
Yo, it is loud.
Mine?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of quiet, so.
This is good.
Yo, why did the gate come down?
Yo, be careful. No.
Take the next right onto Stampede Trail Southeast, then turn left.
Tell me where you want to get off, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, anywhere that's like suitable or fine.
Whatever you need, right?
Yeah.
Why y'all want me to rev it?
Bro. Yo, they want the little guy.
You want to get off right here?
Yeah, here's fine. Here's good.
Yeah, okay.
I can just walk there, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I just want to make sure if this is a good spot for you. Yeah. I just don't want to ruin their shot, you know?
Yeah.
I gotta fix my lights anyways.
Don't get too much trouble.
Right? Yeah.
Take the next right onto Flores Ladue Parade Southeast. Continue for 1.5 kilometers.
This guy? Who's Mo Salah? Who's Mo Salah?